Pressure equipment safety is evolving rapidly. January 1st, 2026 marked a major milestone. The ASME Boiler and Pressure Vessel Code 2025 edition became mandatory, bringing hundreds of updates that will reshape how we design, inspect, and maintain pressure vessels and boilers worldwide. In Section 1, we look at regulatory updates. First, the ASME BPVC Section 8 Division 2 Unified Framework has removed Class 1 vessels entirely. Design margins are now standardized to 2.4 times UTS for all vessels, replacing the previous 3.0 margin for Class 1. New comprehensive creep range rules for high-temperature vessels now address 4 specific failure modes to improve long-term reliability. Section 9 welding changes are also significant. P number 53 is now P number 54 for titanium. There's also a new Duplex stainless steel qualification appendix and updated bead width variables for procedures. Moving to Section 2. The inspection technology revolution. We're seeing a massive shift from traditional to predictive inspection. Traditional methods like visual, radiography, and ultrasonic testing typically ran on 3 to 10-year intervals. But 2026 brings cutting-edge tech. Full matrix capture phased array ultrasonics has been relocated to Article 3 for better clarity. Time of flight diffraction, or TOFD, is now usable as a standalone inspection method under the new code. Acoustic emission now provides continuous monitoring, while pulsed eddy current is the new standard for corrosion screening. Digital twins integrated with IoT sensors now provide 24/7 structural integrity monitoring. Drones and climbing robots are taking over for inspections in hard-to-reach or hazardous areas. AI and machine learning are now enabling predictive failure models that significantly reduce unplanned shutdowns. Section 3 covers safety and compliance impact. Designer qualification requirements are now mandatory every 3 years under Appendix 47. We also have improved hydrostatic and pneumatic testing precautions when working at maximum allowable working pressure. NDE acceptance criteria have been updated for radiograph deterioration, ensuring higher inspection quality. Remote visual examination now fully supports drone and robotic inspection platforms for safer data collection. The future of pressure equipment safety isn't just about compliance, it's about prediction. By embracing these 2026 code updates, we're not just preventing failures, we're engineering confidence. Subscribe for more expert insights.